Our final deadly sin is OEE paralysis. Companies often maintain excellent momentum when building their information foundation, but lose that momentum when it is time to transform information into results. Data sits inactive and largely unused. It becomes another form of waste. Ironic, isn't it? We recommend IDA as the antidote to OEE paralysis. IDA is the simplest way to transform information into action and ultimately into results. Most companies place too much emphasis on results, which are, by their very nature, backward-looking. Instead, focus on the three factors that drive results. Information forms the basis for effective decisions. Decision is where information is reviewed and a course of action is decided. And action transforms decisions into results. All three factors must be present to drive results. Let's start with information. How? By establishing a data democracy. Accurate, relevant, and easy to understand information is the foundation of IDA. It is a precondition for effective decision making. Establish a data democracy by leveraging your information foundation throughout your entire manufacturing operation. Here are 4 simple examples. Display real-time KPIs to your operators on the plant floor so they are armed for immediate action. Automatically alert your rapid response team when their attention is urgently needed, such as downtime that continues to be unresolved. Create dashboards that serve as the centerpiece for effective decision-making at improvement meetings. Push key information that aligns all stakeholders, such as emailing your summary reports for completed shifts. Information for one, information for all. That is data democracy. Next, it's time for decisions. With so much data, it can be tempting to take on every single thing. Don't. You'll drive yourself crazy. You'll drive your team crazy. Instead, focus on your top losses. Select the largest loss where your team has ideas on actions they can take, minimal external resources are required, and actions can be taken right away. And then, it's time for action. Action is where theoretical possibilities are transformed into tangible progress, where decisions are transformed into results. There are many excellent improvement techniques and tools: lean manufacturing, theory of constraints, Six Sigma, Agile. Whatever you choose, by focusing attention on top losses, you will amplify the effectiveness of your actions. We're going to use a simple example to demonstrate the impact of IDA. Imagine you're a pilot and it's your job to safely fly passengers from New York to London. In each of the following 3 scenarios, there is an IDA problem that will prevent you from meeting your objective. The gauges are inaccurate or broken. That is an information problem. The gauges are accurate, but you don't use them. That is a decision problem. The gauges are accurate and you look at them, but you don't make any adjustments to the flight controls. That is an action problem. In order to get to your destination, in order to improve OEE, you need to pay close attention to all 3 factors: information, decision, action. Rather than obsessing about the outcome you would like to achieve, use IDA to address top losses and results will take care of themselves.